Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how many RAM slots does MSI Thin A15 have. This information may be important if you are planning on upgrading your laptop with additional RAM. So if you want to install more RAM sticks, then unfortunately it has only 2 RAM slots and both are used. It has 16 gigs of RAM. It's used in both slots, and there's no more slots. So if you're planning on upgrading it to, for example, 32 gigabytes, you cannot buy 2 additional 8 gigabyte sticks. Instead, you need to replace the old ones with 2 16 gigabyte sticks. And of course, it'll be more expensive to buy 2 16 gigabytes instead of 2 8 gigabytes. But this is how it is on this laptop. It only has 2 slots, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.